Hello again, a brief update on the B17 titanium that I fixed, well, more or less fixed. It's very soft leather. I can just so easily deform it. When I used it for the first time without lacing, I sagged so much, the saddle sagged so much, I sank down into it so much, it wasn't really usable. So I used this lacing. I used medium height lacing. That's better if the leather is soft, otherwise it'll just get kept together at the bottom but not at the middle. I need to move it up a little bit. It's slightly asymmetrical, as you can see, but it's not really a problem, but it should be pinched a bit more at the front. It'll be much better. So all in all, it's pretty good. I don't notice these bolts at all. They don't hinder me. Normally you don't contact this area at all, and because they're rounded bolts you don't feel them in any case. So next I'm going to try the Gilbert 2 saddle that I fixed. The shape is completely back to original, so it will be interesting to see how it goes. Oh yeah, I use this for rides up to about 10 kilometers and then 10 kilometers back, so 10 kilometer rides in one go. It's not so much, but it is pretty comfortable, much better than the B17 that is still not broken in. And for longer rides, I don't know, I will see that probably in a few months, because I'm now going to try the Gilbert 2, and after that probably some other saddles that I have. Okay, see you in another video.